শর্ট সাজেস্টিভ এসিকিউ নিয়ে আলোচনা করব। বিএ 4th সেমিস্টার ইংলিশ মেজর 1 থেকে এই কোয়েশ্চেনগুলো অত্যন্ত গুরুত্বপূর্ণ, 100% আসবেই আসবে। যারা অবহেলা করবে তাদের জন্য মহা বিপদ। হার্ড টাইমস, that was written by Charles Dickens. These 2 marks questions are mostly important marks too. Now what I want is fact. Teach these boys and girls nothing but fact. What does Mr. Thomas Gradgrind opening statement reveal about his educational philosophy? Answer. This statement reveals Gradgrind obsessions with utilitarianism, with utilitarianism and empirical fact, dismissing imaginations, emotions or creative thinking. It reflects his belief that education should be based on hard fact and measurable knowledge, emphasizing the scientific approach to life and rejecting anything that cannot be qualified, that cannot be quantified. Next questions. This question is mostly important for 2026. Facts alone are wanted in life. Flaunt nothing else and root out everything else. How does this quote further emphasizes Gradgrind view on education? This line reinforces Gradgrind rigid